guys, welcome back to Beauty Talk with y'all. You already know who I am. So I wanted to just chit chat with you guys just for 1 or 2 minutes. How you guys doing? How you guys holding up? How's the quarantine? I wanted to thank you guys for everything that you guys been doing with me together during that quarantine. We've been doing so much. Now I'm going to teach you guys something else today. The topic today is how to do bugs braid with a client that has bleach vibrant colored hair. And this is what the video is all about today. So basically I'm bringing you the details prior starting the actual braiding video because I wanted you to comprehend every single thing that I'm about to show you. So for you guys at home, this is a very friendly video, learning how to braid type of thing. So if you're new at this and you're a mom and your kids are at home, and of course beauty salon are closed, and you'd like to braid your kids' hair, and that's for you too. The color doesn't really matter. The color are for the pros who would like to have a smoother bugs braid outcome. For example, you see people braid their people's hair and the colors all over the braid. So my method is there's a way that you can braid the client's hair without showing any of this color in the client's hair, without showing hair at all. All you see is the braid, and it's beautiful and it's flawless. So this is what I'm bringing for you guys today. And so without any further ado, I'll show you everything that I've used for the video, and I will let you guys to watch and to learn. If you have any question, I am more than happy to help because that's why I'm here. I'm here to help you guys with the quarantine with your kids' hair. I am here to teach you how to do your braids, how to do your makeup, how to not relying on, outside world just so you could, look beautiful. You could be beautiful on your own way, and you could make it your own self. Then by the time quarantine is over, that becomes your side hustle because you practice so much with me. Alright, so for this video, I have used 2 packs of this pre-cut spectra hair. I love this hair because not only it's not heavy, it's all my clients tell me that it's very light, and it comes it has 3 packs inside of it. I'm sorry, that's my keys. It has 3 packs already coming through, so you don't have to buy a bunch of hair product. This is very good because that's gonna help you with the client's natural hair to make sure that it tucks inside of the canonical hair. This product, because it helps perfectionize the overall look. It's called Nairobi. People use it for many reasons, but I use Nairobi for everything when it comes to my hair and what I do. It does not give any problems, so this is a very, very, very good product. On the client's hair, natural hair, not the weave, the natural hair, I use this. It helps with the moisture in the client's hair. I use this, we all know what it is. It's the shine spray after you finish the client's hair, and I use this one with the coconut drop in it because it smells so good. I do use other products while I'm braiding the hair. You will see along the way. I just wanted to show you guys the main ingredients and the main products that I've used. And one thing that I've asked is for you guys to share the video, and for you guys to like it, and for you guys to subscribe to the channel. I hope that you guys continue to watch these YouTube videos as they're bringing, as we go along. I will be bringing more videos to help you guys at home. I know how much I struggle with my kids at home, so the more that I could bring to help you guys to alleviate anything. I may not be able to bring your mask. I may not be able to bring your groceries, but I can help you in getting your kids' hair always looking nice, because I know girls don't play with their hair. Okay, I have to. So you guys enjoy. Have a wonderful time. I'll see you on my next video.